Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad with fruit cocktail using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need 2 cups of cooked elbow macaroni, a 15-ounce can of drained fruit cocktail, and half a cup of mayonnaise. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of condensed milk and 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Once your macaroni is cooked to al dente perfection, drain it well and allow it to cool down completely. This step is crucial for the salad's texture. Next, in a spacious mixing bowl, gently combine the cooled macaroni with your well-drained fruit cocktail. Stir them together until they are evenly distributed, creating a nice base for our creamy salad. Now, let's create our delicious creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together the half cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of condensed milk until smooth. Then, fold in the 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Pour this rich dressing over your macaroni and fruit cocktail mixture. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated with the creamy goodness. After mixing, cover your macaroni salad tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is essential, as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together, making the salad even more delicious. Serving it cold ensures the best taste and texture. Enjoy this easy and delightful macaroni salad with fruit cocktail as a refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.